Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Discord mic is not working, today's video, let's fix it. First thing first, open your Discord, get logged into your account. From here, we have to access a settings. For that, click on this gear icon, that is user settings. From your left hand side, you will see voice and video. Open it. And likewise, under voice, you will see default. Under input device, you have to expand it. And if you are trying to connect to any of the sound devices, make sure that you click onto it. In my case, I'm using the default ones, but in your case, if you are using any external sound or headphones, you may go ahead, unplug it, and then plug it back again. Once done, also make sure output device is set to your specific speaker or sound device, and the volume is set to full. Under input sensitivity, you have to make sure this is set to more than 70 dB, or according to your preference. Make sure echo cancellations is turned on, and under noise suppression, this is set to none. And once you do so, restart your device, and then this shall fix the problem.